Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video on how to recover old WhatsApp deleted messages. First thing we need to do is to open up WhatsApp. Next is to click settings, then go to chats, look for chat backup, click on it, and click on backup to Google Drive, then select daily, and then click backup. Once it's done, go to your phone setting, search on apps, look for WhatsApp, then click it. Scroll down until you find the storage. Please click the clear data and cache and then click permissions. Make sure all is enabled. Then go back to WhatsApp. Just click on agree and continue. Input your phone number and the verification code. Hit next. Once it's verified, you're gonna be seeing a restore backup option. Just hit the restore button, then you're done. Hope this helps and see you on the next one.